I've just participated in a really interesting event, gathering thoughts on the Food Systems Summit and the various action tracks that looked at bringing innovation into food systems. And if there's one thing it makes you realize is how important agriculture and farmers are at the beginning of any food supply system. And actually, it makes me reflect on how I've used innovation in the past and how we're going to use it in the future. Part of the problem we've got is we've been so successful at meeting demand that nobody's questioned where their food has come from. And now it's often demonized for all the wrong reasons, just at the point when we're going to need innovation, not just to supply ever more food to a growing population, but actually look to solve some of the problems of climate change, soil degradation, and the increasingly strange weather events that I, as a farmer, have to deal with. One of the common themes that comes out of these kind of discussions when you're fortunate enough to use platforms that connect the world is we're actually all in this together. We need to find global solutions. A global common regulatory approach would be really useful. And taking some of the myths out of science, I think is going to be really important. And I, as a farmer, have a role to play in explaining the simplicity of actually how I take innovation and use it on my farm responsibly. Everybody that I've spoken to in this sort of conversation feels passionate about it and they are responsible. I am genuinely excited for innovation, not just for myself, but for the next generation, because they're the ones that are going to have to solve the problems that we're dealing with at the moment.